Hello and welcome back. So guys, here in this class I'm just gonna teach you some more elements about the Bootstrap. Actually, if you know that how to create simple lists, I'm just gonna teach you to create the list. Actually, the group element here, you already know about the thing which I'm just teaching you, which I'm just doing right now. But if I just add the element of the list group item, okay, now there I'm just typing home, and then here I'm just typing articles. I can type anything, whatever I prefer. So what is in my mind, I'm just typing technology duplicate, and there I'm just typing the science. Whatever you can type, you can. And there to the main UL, I'm just typing simply list, sorry about the spelling, list group. Save and go to the browser, and here is the browser. Refresh that. Okay, it's not working, that means something's wrong there. Okay, list, this should be list. Okay, that was the simple mistake I was just doing. Refresh now. You can see that it's really amazing. Okay, if I just create this inside the column to make it more beautiful, I just want to show you in a more perfect way. Col MD, again the full, and inside this MD I'm just cutting and pasting. Cut this, paste this, and add some extra spaces. Save and refresh. Now you can see that this is the actual element which I was just thinking to teach you, and definitely I just did this, but I just found something really wrong in it. You can see that the top corner are rounded. If I just zoom in it, the top corners are rounded but not the bottom corners. That means, okay, this should be the ending tag, not the starting tag. Refresh now. The both columns are the, you can see that are the rounded borders. So this is what I just wanted to create there. Well, this is a simple group. I'm just gonna create this in more advanced way. I'm copying this one and pasting just after this there, and what more I'm just gonna do, save and refresh. Okay, that is perfect. But before that, I just want to teach you some more interesting things which I just can teach you from the previous one. Let's just set the class of active and then refresh. Now this is active. The meaning of active, you can understand that this is just like we are just clicked on the element, so this is active. Well, the thing is that we can add the a tags as well here inside this. Okay, I'm just showing you how we can do that. Cut this one, type the home here, and this one. Refresh now. You can see that this is, we can do this as well, but this is not looking really perfect. So the best way to do this, I'm just removing this one, the whole group, and then here I'm adding the div instead of the UL. I'm adding the div, okay, because I just want to make them selectable instead of the simple list. So there, same thing, I'm just doing same thing which I just did before, but there I'm using the div, and inside the div I'm adding the a tags, okay, because I just want to add the links here. As I said that everything should be same, so here I'm just typing home again. Well, this is not necessary to type the text as same, just for showing you that we can create the same thing by just adding the div and a instead of the ul and li. We can create the same beautiful website. So article spelling should be perfect. By the way, the technology, oh, the spelling mistake. Science, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now the same, but you can see that we can select the elements. This is what I just wanted to teach you, that how we can create the elements which should be selectable, as you can see. So definitely we can add the active class here as well, no matter. Refresh now. This technology is active as well. I'm removing the active class from there, cut, paste there, and refresh. Now everything is fine, but just that it's selectable, and it is selectable as well, but not looking really beautiful, and this is looking the perfect one. So when you just created the selectable list, so why not you just learn another thing, the disabled. Save, refresh, hover the mouse, it is looking like it is disabled. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to teach you, that we can make the disable as well. Well, after that I'm just going to teach you some more interesting things. I'm simply copying this one. Well, there I just copy it and pasting there. Remove the extra spaces which is there. Okay, now what I'm just gonna do is actually adding in space and then just typing list group item. Now the style, I'm just typing warning here, saving and going to the browser and refresh. You can see that this has the warning effect. Okay, interestingly we can apply these things to the UL one as well. So at this one here, save and refresh. Now you can see that we can apply the same styles there as well. So why not I just apply the info instead of the warning. Refresh, looking perfect. So there I'm going to there and actually adding another class. Instead of the warning, I'm just gonna apply the success. Okay, we do not need to apply the primary because the active is just same like the primary. Now you can see that the green one, well, there are only 4 elements: warning, success, info and the danger. So I'm just applying the danger here. Danger, save and refresh. Now you can see that all of them has been applied, which makes our group more beautiful and more perfect. Some more things are there, you must know about them. Actually, this is not necessary to create the divs, the groups in this way. We can customize them. So I'm just copying this one, pasting there. But now what I'm just gonna do is actually there, this is the list group. Okay, perfect. This, what is this? This is the list group item warning, whatever. This is the home. I'm just removing the home. Okay, going down, adding a tab, and inside the A tag, just focus on it. Inside the A tag I'm just adding the h4. Okay, oh sorry about that. Now h4, and here I'm just typing the list heading. Well, the Bootstrap has a specific class for this element as well. That means this is the certified Bootstrap way to create some kind of group list. So there I'm adding the class. Oh sorry about that. What the hell I'm just doing. List group item, oh, heading, save, and then just after this h4 just create another p. Okay, and there just type, well, what I'm just gonna type is the text. Well, this is not necessary to put the text. We can add the images, we can add the videos, as you know, as I just said to you, we can add anything there. I'm just adding the text here. This text is the first headings element, whatever I type, no matter. But there the Bootstrap has a specific class for this as well. So list group item text. Okay, that was the heading and this is the text. Refresh that. Now you can see that this is looking really beautiful and really perfect. So why not I just remove all of them and simply copy, paste, paste and paste. Now refresh. Now you can see that this is looking more beautiful and we can use this anywhere we just want. So I hope you understood this way of the group list as well. So guys, we'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and good.